The TRIOS 3 comes in a box consisting of 2 layers. To begin the unboxing, prepare some space, remove the foil and carefully open the top lid. In the top layer you will find the TRIOS setup guide with QR code, as well as an instruction leaflet for connecting the TRIOS with the Move Plus or Pod. Five tips for the scanner. And the scanner with protection tip. In the bottom layer you will find the Safety and Setup Guide manual, the calibration target, the dongle, USB stick, scanner base, a connecting cable, the color calibration adapter, and the 3D calibration adapter.